Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing and short review of the new Amazon Basics 10,000 mAh power bank. This supports 22.5 watt fast charging, guys. So this is one of the optimal power banks. It was for I think $8.99 something when I bought it. It is an optimal power bank, so for which the devices which support approximately 25 to 20 to 25 watt chargings, and this power bank can charge multiple devices. It has multiple ports, 2 USB ports, 1 micro USB, 1 type C. So let's get started, guys. I got this package from Amazon. This is how it looks. Let's do the unboxing. Not sure from where it will unbox actually. This is kind of weird style packing. See this? Alright, oh, there it is like this. Okay, and let's remove from this. Yeah. Alright, this is how it looks. This is the Amazon Basics power bank 10,000 mAh, and this supports fast charging, guys. Fast charging as in it supports maximum charging of up to 25.5 milliamps. So that is kind of fast for Samsungs, and I have a Samsung phone, so I got this and nothing else here. So let me keep this aside. This says price is 1999, but I got it for approx 800 rupees in sale, and that's it, nothing else. Let's see here. How do I open this? There is a tape here. If we can open it here, let's cut this. Yeah, really sorry for the noise. If you hear a lot of noise, construction work is going on here. And oops, oops, it's very hard to open this. I'm not sure how. Okay, it's opening like this. Oh, cool. This is how the power bank looks like. Sleek. It is very sleek, guys. Easily fits in one hand. See, and it has 4 ports: 2 USB, 1 micro USB, and 1 type C. Generally, and this is the button to indicate how much power is there. Now you can see 3 dots, so it means it has 75% power. So all the details are mentioned over here, USB-C, everything and all. And mostly there should be a cable in this, charging cable. Oh yeah, it's there, but it's a deep actually. I won't be able to open it. I'll open it from this side. Where is my cutter? Let me cut this. Yep, here it is. So we will use this cable only. It's a very okay, it is a thick cable, decent thick cable, but it is small, so we'll be using this cable most of the times. This is a USB to type C cable, so you can charge your type C supported phones with this. And let's see what else is this in this. This box will be anyway useless eventually. There is some, I think, manual, but yeah, anyway, let it be. Mostly we will be using these two. This is enough for us. So that's it for this video, guys. This is just a basic unboxing of the Amazon Basics power bank which I got in sale. This supports fast charging, 22.5 watt, and a small USB cable. You won't be able to charge say micro USB based phones with this cable, so you'll need a separate cable for that. So the length of this cable, I'll show you the length. Let me just open it like this. Yeah, yep, it is decent length. You can just plug it here and then plug your phone and keep both together. I'll show you my other power bank. This was my other power bank. I just used this pouch, so you can buy such pouch. See, this was my OnePlus power bank. So I generally use this pouch so that I can keep my phone and power bank together while charging. And this had this type of cable. This is good actually, because if you see, this is type C, and if I remove it, this is micro USB. So even I can use the same cable for micro USB type phones, but nowadays all are type C, so I guess Amazon is not considering micro USB phones. So yep, so you can check out such pouches. You can get it for approx 200-300 rupees in local market or on Amazon as well. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next video. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back in next video. Stay tuned.